Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. I got another unboxing to do. I was going to do all these at once, but I thought, y'all don't want to sit around and watch me do this for an hour. So I'm just doing them one at a time. One at a time. This is a box that I recently got, and I did open it just to see if it had everything that I needed in here, but I didn't actually go through it. This was my recent purchase from We Crochet. They were having a big sale on Leap Year Day, and I think they had 29 of their items for 50% off. So I went to take a look and see what I could find. And I recently got a pattern book from them called like Takes, I think it was, and I'll show you later. But anyways, they found some really interesting yarn. I got this Upcycle Alpaca Blend, and I was really interested in taking a look, and I wanted to go ahead and make this cardigan. So got my little receipt in here, but it doesn't show you the prices, but I'll include the prices here. So this is called the Upcycle Alpaca Blend worsted weight. So it's really nice and thin, 219 yards and 100 grams. And this was on sale. I'll include the link below. This is a weight of a 4, it says. Being the alpaca blend, it might be a little bit more on the warm side, but this is a very, very thin 4, if you ask me. I'm actually shocked that they call this a 4. It's probably just because of the halo that's got going on, but look at that. That to me, that's a 3, if you ask me. Anyways, this one here is called Time. So I got 3 colors. It's actually the striped cardigan here. I've also got this color here, which is called Lapis. So again, each skein is a weight of 4, 33% alpaca, 34% wool, and 33% acrylic. And that's what gives it the wash and wear feel. It's got the wool and the alpaca, but it's not going to be too terribly warm because it's so light. Now, this is actually a limited edition, so I don't know if that means that they're not going to have this very long. Some of the colors were sold out, so I got what I could. So I wasn't able to get all the colors from the exact pattern, but I got 3 that I liked that I thought would go well together. It calls for Time and Lapis, so these 2 colors here together. And then it also, now these 2 colors I do believe it called for. This one is called Fawn. This one is called Fawn. So again, this is the worsted weight alpaca upcycle blend, limited edition. And then the other yarn it called for, the other color it called for is Latte. Now Latte and Fawn, I believe, were together in the pattern. And then I added 2 more that were close. So these are beautiful, like fall colors, I think. Not typically the colors that I go for. I usually go bright. So I'm stepping outside my comfort zone, but I'm really liking these. I love the feel. You guys can see it's got a really nice fiber twist going on in there. And these are, again, a weight of a 4. But yeah, so I got these 4 colors and I got 3 of each. So I got 3 Lapis, 3 of the Time, 3 of the Fawn, these guys, and 3 of the Latte. This is going to be a really pretty sweater, I think, actually. And it's just a long cardigan, blocks of color, crocheted. So I'm excited about that guy. Now, they were offering a sale on, I think I said 29 of their items. They put it 50% off on Leap Year. They're always running sales. I'm going to include the link below. I'll include you can check out this yarn here. I think I'm going to be a really big fan of it. You know, I have been a fan of pretty much all the yarns that I've gotten from them lately. I made my sweater, my Harry style sweater, and that was that thick, bulky weight of 5. Loved it. It's so, so soft. I have some squish yarn that I got from them, and I'm also going to be making a crochet dress that is made out of their Swish Pop, which was a wool, but very lightweight as well. All right. I got this guy, and I needed just a nice little travel kit. This is their essentials kit. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it, open it up, see what we did. This guy. This looks really interesting. Okay, and it's still available on their website. So in it, I get a row counter. Lovely. A tape measure, and I have been finding I didn't have enough tape measures laying around the house. So I got a couple. I got this one and I got an extra one. So a nice little tape measure, and all fits in this really great little packet. These bent tip tapestry needles. These really good spring stitch markers in its own little carrying case. That's lovely. A nice pair of scissors. Wow, what a great kit. Sharp scissors. And a couple more things here. One more thing here. A view sizer. So this is for your knitting needles, and if you just want to measure stuff, you know, kind of like a tape measure thing. I'll pull this out so you can see this. Ooh, this looks interesting. All right. So this is a measuring, right, ruler, and then also for your needles. So this is really more for knitting, but that's great. And this little kit, I think I might have paid might have been like $10. So maybe I got it half price and it was 20 or something, but it all fits in this little kit. This is really nice. This is great. So then I'll take these guys out of here. And then we'll put these, well, I'll do that later. You don't need to see me do that. But again, I got the stitch markers that are going to go in here. The bent needles, you can never have too many of these guys. The sharp scissors, the tape measure, and the row counter. Wow, this is a very comprehensive kit. This is really, I don't think I realized everything that was in here. So this is something I would just plunk into each one of my kits, my to-go kits. Everything that you need is right in here. This is fabulous. Fabulous, I tell you. I got another pair of foldable scissors. I love these, right? Have you seen these? I have so many pairs of these, but they're great. If you're traveling and you don't want to reach in your bag and get something that's going to poke you and be really sharp. I'm going to use scissors to open up my bag of scissors here. I love these. So they come like this, right? And what you do is you pull them out like so, and then you just turn them like that. These are, oh, and these are really nice and solid. These were also on sale. And then when you're done, you just go like that, flatten it out totally, and then you just shove them together. Boom. So I probably should have gotten more of these. I have like 2 or 3 pairs, but you know, you can never find scissors when you need them. And then I got just a really nice, cheapy little tape measure, because as I'm doing all of my garments, my projects, I need to be able to weigh them, see what's going on, that kind of deal. So I just got this little guy here. So this was just my little, I'm going to put these little fun things inside my essentials bag. This was my recent unboxing from We Crochet. I'm excited to try this yarn. This will become one of my whips, so you'll see how this works up in my upcoming videos. But this is the upcycled alpaca blend limited edition with We Crochet. And I will include the link. They've got some other really good sales coming up. They always have sales running, but I'll include the link for this as well if you're interested. All right. Well, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, just checking in, showing you what I just got from We Crochet. But I'm working through this yarn really good. I'm moving through this, you guys. So just want you to know, like, it's so much yarn. Yeah, I know, but it's okay. It's all right. Oh, I forgot. I got these too. I just saw them sitting over there. I got a nice little container of cute little faux pom-poms for hats. Let me just open this up. Faux fur pom-pom set. And these were on clearance as well. It might have been like $4 or $5, and you get 5 little pom-poms in here. I got some cute fun colors, but I just wanted something that was a little bit more neutral. So I got these guys as well. All right, that's it. That's all I've got for this week. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, showing you my little We Crochet unboxing and also knit picks. You can go to both websites. You can just dance between the two, you know, cha-cha here, dance a little bit over here, and then everything shows up in the same cart. It's lovely. And they got some great patterns as well. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Tell your friends about us. Send them over here. We're having so much fun, and we're getting very, 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 very close to 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers. So keep it coming. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.